To other news now, residents in Mavis, St Andrew are expressing relief this evening because a bushfire, which had been raging for days, appears to be under control. The people have singled out the efforts of the firefighters who, with little resources, have been battling the blaze since the start of the week. We visited the area last night.
In the still of the night, wonder. For these residents of Mavis Bank in St Andrew, it surrounds whether the bushfire raging in the hills will spread to their property and when will it stop. It's been nearly 3 days of sleepless nights, and though quite a distance from the houses below, the fire still poses a threat. Because of the terrain, the Jamaica Defence Force Air Wing has been battling the blaze using a helicopter bucket. Firefighters, however, have to walk a little over a mile from where their truck is parked to get to it.
Fire truck come and it can't come up here because the road bad, narrow, the road bad, all road bad and narrow. Pier patrol. Them are work from evening, them are work from yesterday assiduously with the soldiers them, and them can't come up here because the road narrow and bad.
We journeyed with them to the location of the fire, residents from the community as our guides.
What's for Rago now?
Just a piece of cause it a come down.
Lead the way now. So we know where I go.
Right up there, Joe. Can't last.
In their hands and in buckets, the people prepared bags of water to throw into the burning bush. Recognizing the constraints of the firefighters, they were more than eager to help. But the trek to the top proved challenging at times, even for our cameraman. But once we got there, it was all hands on deck. It was discovered that hundreds of acres of farmland went up in smoke.
Farming affected big time, because most people who live up here as farming, them live off of. And them not have no water. And a drought.
The stuff we affected are like, you know, a dry time and gungu where I hold it. Coffee of a fact. Coffee. Them thing there. Cause coffee banana right across the board. Cause you know a coffee most of the people them up here live by.
So what caused this latest bushfire? Interestingly, there was a unanimous response.
And the time dry and people still light fire.
So these people who lighting the fire, I ask them to stop lighting this fire.
And them always say a natural cause of the fire. But why I say it's not natural cause? Igneous rock with a more start from in the mountains. And this fire start from down in the valley. Igneous rock have to take heat for ignite. I tell you, igneous rock take heat for ignite. And the thing start from down in the gully more if you see one of Mr. Mons coffee factory, one water gully around there. And the fire start just above the watershed.
Yeah. Now come back here.
Meanwhile, when we contacted the Jamaica Fire Brigade Thursday, we were told that the fire has been contained.